Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a product review. I received these from Onedaysaving, and they asked if I would like to do a review on a few of their products, and they sent me 3 diamond paintings and a frame. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this, and I will have their website in the description box, as well as the links for all of the items. And there's also a coupon code. It's Stacy05 off. So I will have all of that in the description box. And I have never tried one of these before. Let me see if I can get it out. They asked me if I wanted to have a frame to try out for it, and I told them sure. I am not getting this out. There we go. I've never had one before. I've never, used a frame like this, so that is interesting. I have never seen something like this before, so I'm assuming you've got the ribbon and everything to attach to this and then hang it up with the ribbon holding it. That is really cute. I mean, you would need a small one, but I did get a small one, so this might fit it. But yeah, you could flatten it out and then just slide the diamond painting right in. That would be so much easier than a lot of the ways that I've seen framing it before. So the small one I have, it is a round drill, and I'm going to turn on, there we go, I'm going to turn on the light. So these are round drills, and I always check the numbers and such like that after, because it takes too long if I do it in the video. But I prefer round. I like it better. It goes faster. And I also prefer the numbers right here better than when they print it on the bag, because sometimes when they print it on the bag, it ends up down here on the crease. So I like to keep that number in the Ziploc bags or the bottles, depending on which one I'm using. So yeah, I like it that way better. This is the small one I got, and I think this will fit in the frame. So that'll be really cute once it's done. This one is a 30 by 30. And the 30 by 30 is the canvas size. It's not the picture size, it's the canvas size. But I really liked this small one. I really liked the dragon that's on there. And even though the outer part looks like it's all one color, it really isn't. You can see there are 18 colors here, and you can see some of the different symbols, and they are very clear, so that's always good. And it's very sticky, so you won't have any trouble with the drills on that one. Okay, the next one I got is a Halloween one, of course. I love Halloween. You all know that. This one is going to be a square, though. They are a little bit more finicky with square. But here is the picture. I love this. You've got the moon in the background, and then the tree does the skull face. I love that. I've been wanting to get this one actually for a while, so I was really happy to see it. It is a 40 by 40, and you can see the detail in the picture. If you can see the detail before you put the drills on, you'll see it when you put the drills on. So I like this one. I've been waiting to have this one for a while. And this one has 24 colors. And again, super sticky. on that one as well. And then the last one I got, and this one's a little bit different, because this one, or these, are stickers. I've never seen the stickers before. I've seen keychains, I've seen clocks, stuff like that, but I've never seen stickers. So I was really happy to get this pack. I absolutely love these. Of course, my favorite is the lion. But yeah, and you can see there are special drills in here. You can see them right here. They've got different shapes. And these are also a little bit more sparkly than the regular. The regular is more matte colored. These are not. These look more like crystal gems. So I really, really love these. Okay, so actually I'm going to go ahead and check the stickers as well. Oh yeah, very sticky. So I cannot wait to use these. I've never seen that before, ever. So that is it for this video. Like I said, I will have their website in the description box. I will have all of the links for the products as well as the coupon code. So go check them out. It is Onedaysaving, and they have a great selection and their prices are really good. So check them out. If you're wanting to do a small one just to get started, go ahead and look on their website and use the coupon code. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.